A new robotic system developed by a team at MIT can locate and retrieve almost any hidden object buried in a pile, regardless of shape, color, or size. The system, known as FuseBot, uses radio frequency signals, computer vision, and complex reasoning to efficiently find hidden items. With FuseBot, a robotic arm uses an attached video camera and an antenna to retrieve a target from a pile. If some of the items in the pile have RFID tags, the system becomes more efficient, even if the target item is untagged. As the robotic arm moves, the system scans the pile with its camera to create a 3D model of the environment. Simultaneously, it sends signals from its antenna to locate RFID tags. These radio waves can pass through most solid surfaces, so the robot can see deep into the pile. Using the information collected from the camera and the antenna, FuseBot reasons about the probable location and orientation of objects under the pile, then finds the most efficient way to remove obstructing objects and extract the target item. The researchers say FuseBot could be applied in a variety of settings because the software that performs its complex reasoning can be implemented on any computer. It just needs to communicate with a robotic arm that has a camera and an RFID reader.